Good morning, everyone. Going into my M1 Finance account today. Obviously, I love crypto because it helps me add money to my M1. But M1 is where I keep most of my stock money in. I do have Robinhood, uh, but that's just for the non-dividend paying stocks, such as I have Amazon in there. I have Amazon, Google. Netflix and Tesla are my Robinhood portfolio, and that's just non-dividend stocks. That's just my growth um, stock account. This is dividends, so I'm gonna growing by dividends, compounding every day with M1 Finance. Obviously, their checking went up to 1.7, but I rarely keep the money in. It's just I'll put a set amount in there for the week. Say if I put $100 for the week, so $20 every day goes into my account, or etc. So whatever I put in a week, I divide by five, and then put them in each account. So with M1 Finance, I have five accounts actually. So you know, and I'll probably get into detail each account quickly, not to bore you. But I just have five accounts here, and they're all this is probably if you wanna. This is like mom and dad, and these are the kids. So four kids, and then mom, dad, the big one. And this is when I started a long time ago. These ones are a couple, maybe 2 or 3 years ago. But this one um, was the one I started. I started Robinhood first with stocks, and then I got into this because I can do a pie. See all the see, look at this pie. See if I go into here, these are all my stocks in this account. This 302 account. Obviously, so I put in money for the day. So I have $108.40 of buying power, which means it's gonna buy some stocks for today. So let's see if I can show you that. Few details, and let's see upcoming trades. So right now, automatically, without me doing anything, this is what it's gonna buy. Um, just me putting money in. So with the hundred, I have $100, $8 in the balance. It's gonna buy Toyota, Valero, Intel, ExxonMobil, J.P. Morgan Chase, Verizon, Johnson Johnson, Western Union. So basically, these are stocks that probably are not equal to my 1%, so they're lower basically. They're so it always puts money into the stocks that are more down. So basically, it balances. So I'm always getting the sale price, buying at the sale price. And you see, so overall, I'm down on this count, $5,705.13, and that's because the market was down. Um, this will definitely shoot back up. I have no worries. You know, what goes down must go up. So it's down 4% portfolio, but my stocks are still going. I'm still getting paid dividends, and that's what counts. That as I showed you in an earlier video, that I'm still getting dividends. And then we're gonna go into my other account, 421. Okay, all right. You see, this one's plus $200 You know, this one. Let me see. This one is the monthly ETF portfolio. So exchange traded funds, but I get monthly dividends on this account. Most of these are monthly. There are a few that are just quarterly, but this is majority monthly. And so $107 buying power. Because today I put in $100 in each account, so basically $500 going into my account today. So $107 dollars, and then we'll see what's here. Sometimes you have money left over. Obviously, this is why I said 721. So the trades from yesterday, obviously, it doesn't trade with exactly all your money. So sometimes there's money left over, or this could be dividends. This money could be dividends. And let's see if you review the details on that. So you have 27 buys on this. See, so it's automatic. It's just automatically buying these, and I don't have to think about um, which stocks I want to put money to. It automatically does it. It's technology, and that's what amazing. It's amazing about it. I mean, see, let me just go to the activity on this one. We'll see the dividends just to show you. I'm not gonna get into detail on every account because I have too many accounts. We'll just do it from the beginning of this month to now and see what. See, so basically all these are dividends that came in, and it's a small account, only maybe 30,000 here. So it's smaller, but two for you can see all these dividends coming in, and this just goes in my account, keeps the compounding going. You just go to the next. So we go to 531 and see what this one is. All right, so this is another. These are stock. I have like three different stock accounts in here. I have one that been paying stocks over maybe over like 30, 40 years, and then I have another account of stocks I've been paying maybe 15 or years or more, paying dividends and growing. And we'll just see what the upcoming trades today. See, I have quite a few already on this. See, our trades coming in today, 25 buys. Total, $102 going in. And let's go to the next account. As I say, I can get into details of each account. It's just, um, the max you can do in this M1 is 5 accounts. And I mean, I don't think usually one account's enough, but I decided to do 5 different accounts, track your progress, and you know, give you motivation to grow each one. Because sometimes one of them's down, then I get one of them's up, but it gives me something to do, besides just going to work all day and then putting my money into this. So this is the exchange trading fund accounts, and it's like their quarterly dividend payments. But these are these I have a lot of these. So basically, exchange trading funds are like a basket of a whole bunch of stocks into one company. So you know, and it has some of these big players, and these like Vanguard, and Charles Schwab. So you know, this count I'm trying to grow also. And if we see what we're gonna buy today, let's see. See a few buys here. I know I'm going quick through this, but yeah, a few buys, and then I'll show you the activity in this account also. We'll just go to just dividends. I mean, I could show you the deposits withdrawal, but most important, I think everyone cares about is dividends. So pretty small. I mean, yeah, I know. Maybe it was this guy has like what 28,000. I'm not sure, but around there, something around there. See, very small, but these are solid. So I know these are going to be around for a long time. You know, for the average person, this is going to be a small amount, and it's not going to be worth the time to get a dividend of this amount. But I'm like, it's still free money. This may be like $3, $4, $5 just free money that just goes back in. So, and I know these are going to be around because they're exchange trading funds. I mean, because they have like maybe some have hundreds of stocks in them. So if one stock goes down, they still gonna be around. So for me, I'm still keeping them, and I don't mind, and I don't mind having it. See 26,000 in there. So obviously I'm trying to grow all the accounts, and my goal would be um, of all these accounts, uh, get them all to 1 million each. I know it will take a lot, but I'm in it for the long haul. That would be nice to have all these counts at 1 million, if I can get there. But it will take time. But I'm gonna push it. So this is third account of individual stocks. So basically, I have three accounts with individual stocks, pies of individual stocks, and then two accounts of exchange traded funds. So totaling five accounts. And we just view details, you know, show some of the buys this morning, and then we'll just go to the activity. I'm just showing everyone this because sometimes, people talk a good game or whatever, and I didn't like. It's not like I was inherent. I grew these accounts from nothing. So if I can go back in time and show you, I mean, I will probably in maybe another video. I'll show you from where I started, and it was just um, these were like when I used to get dividends, they used to be uh, 1 cent or 2 cents for the longest time, and then it started growing. But like I said, I showed a coworker this when I first started, and they saw I was just making pennies, and they were like, they're not gonna waste their time. But now I'm in the most of the accounts are making at least $1 or more, and off dividends, and just hopefully like I said, you grow from 5 to 10 to 20 to 30 to 40. Um, imagine one day each of these is paying me $100 every time a dividend payment. That would be amazing. Imagine just having passive income anytime. And honestly, I would try to live off it, but I'm not gonna like wipe out the account. I'd probably take what I need and let the rest go in back and grow. So for me, that would be my strategy. But anyway, these are the five accounts. Some are up, some are down. It doesn't bother me. I'm just here to keep it going. I talked to someone the other day, and they check this every single day, and they were like so concerned and worried and stressed. I do not check every day. Sometimes coworkers say, "Oh, Amazon's up," and then I'll look, but I really just focus on life because I work so much, and then I just keep dropping money in there, and from there I see, I just keep dropping money, and then usually on Friday, Saturday, or Friday night, I'll take a quick look and see what the account's at, and then from there after that, just go back to normal. But the goal for this is to keep compounding, keep putting the money in, and getting this account to grow. It's Dividends are amazing. I heard Kevin O'Leary even say, he won't invest in a stock if it doesn't have a dividend. He wants to be paid by a company, and that's how I think. Obviously, I do have Robinhood, and I do have few of the stocks that are not paying dividends, but I know Amazon will grow, and I know Google's gonna grow because they split and they're gonna grow. I know those are big companies, so I'm definitely trying to grow those, buy more shares because one day it's gonna be back to they'll be back to 1,000 or 2,000 a share, and then um, the more shares I have, the more money. And obviously you can trade options on Robinhood, and once I get up my account up, I'm gonna start doing that. I've done it before. So with smaller stocks like Ford, but if you imagine you have a stock that's trading at $1,000 or more, you could make some serious money. Anyway, that's it for today. I wish you all the best for Friday. Um, Fridays more. The weekends are more work for me, but obviously, um, I hope everyone enjoys the weekend. And I'm not a financial advisor, but just focus on trying to build your future. Do your research, and there's so many opportunities out there now to become successful. And I hope some of you can just take the time to think about your future, because long term, you know this could be amazing for anyone who gets in, who figures it out. And I feel like I'm still a newbie. Doesn't matter how much I have an account, I'm still a newbie. I'm still trying to grow it, and one day I'll get there. Thank you for taking the time to watch the channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye.